2016 EX-T, Aegean blue. Got it yesterday. Got a little bit of dirt on it, but don't mind that. So yeah, this is it. New car on the channel. You'll be seeing it in videos. I do plan on doing a few things. Obviously window tint is number one. Plan on doing the horn upgrade. I plan on doing maybe a new grill, blacked out grill, blacked out trim. We will see what it has in store. Take you on a little quick tour of the inside. So it is black interior. It is an EX, not an EXL, so it's still got the cloth. It does have Android Auto, heated seats, no leather steering wheel, which is kind of a disappointment, but you know, as you know from me and my channel, that can be changed. So I'm sure that is blowing right on the camera. So yeah, this is it. It's got right now 16,560 on it. Yeah, a new car. Now, new to me at least. It's a pretty good car. I love Honda. Everyone knows that. But yeah, so stay tuned for a few things. You know, I'll keep everyone updated on Instagram when I get the windows done. I may do some of the same things that I did to the last car. I may do the floor lights. I may change the steering wheel. I don't know. I'm not sure yet. I don't know if I want to do that again, especially since these steering wheels are probably much more expensive and harder to find. But moonroof, I love it. Back seat needs a little bit of a clean, but other than that, that's the new car. Just wanted to do a quick video. Yeah, so thanks for watching.